Richie Ruckus Beats.
Going on YouTube, it's your boy Richie Ruckus. Happy Thursday to you and yours. We are here today with a brand new sneaker pickup. We're going to do the unboxing, we're going to do the review, and then we're going to do the on foot. This is a sneaker that I've been patiently waiting for. It kind of goes against the series that I'm doing right now because I feel like, you know, with the life above hype that I'm trying to promote, that you don't need to have the most hype sneakers, you don't need to constantly be rocking Supreme, Bait, All Foot, you know, all the popular streetwear fashion brands right now. This sneaker, it was hype for me. I was desperately, I needed these sneakers. I was counting down the days till they released. I picked them up this morning at 10 a.m. Shout outs to the good folks over at Lapstone Hammer. You know, if you're ever in Philly and you're looking for a sneaker boutique to go to, we have two. We got Ubik and we got Lapstone Hammer. Lapstone Hammer always has fast, seamless customer service. You're in and out of there, especially on a first come, first serve release like the pair we're getting ready to jump into. Without further ado, let's get a glimpse of these Warlocks. We got that Adidas Yung-1 in that high-res orange. Two colorways of these dropped today. There was this one, which is the high-res orange. You got like a voltish yellow, and the collegiate navy. Collegiate navy, All Foot, and red one that came out today, like, you know, USA color scheme. But when I seen this orange pair, I had to have these. A lot of people think this sneaker is a poor man's version of the Wave Runner, and they do look strikingly similar. This is somewhat of a remake of a 1997 Adidas silhouette called the Falcon Dorf. It does bear striking resemblance to the Yeezy Wave Runner. For instance, you know, that design is seen on the Wave Runner. The toe box is very, very similar. Even the placement and length of the three stripes, very similar to the Yeezy Wave Runner. To Adidas's credit, I do believe they give Kanye tons and tons and tons of creative control over his sneakers. But at the same time, guys, this is still Adidas, and that's why when you see, you know, for the most part, stuff that falls under the Yeezy supply umbrella opposed to his Adidas stuff, the heads at Adidas are still making sure these are Adidas sneakers. So I think what really happened was that they were going to be dropping these, and the Wave Runner kind of borrowed elements of this sneaker design onto the Wave Runner. I could be wrong, but if I had to guess, I would say it went Kanye borrowed from the Adidas Falcon Dorf, aka the Adidas Yung-1, opposed to the Adidas Yung-1 being a poor man's version of the Wave Runner. But like I said, they do bear a striking resemblance. Adidas is capitalizing on the chunky dad shoe trend. I think this is a very, very dope silhouette. They did a good job with this concept, and it has all premium materials. The nubuck suede that you see here in orange, very, very soft to touch. You got a nice breathable mesh throughout in the high-res orange. You even have some of the collegiate navy is done in that nubuck suede. And then I like the little subtle touch of yellow throughout the three stripes. It's on the Adidas branding on the tongue, it's on the sole, and it's also on the Adidas branding on the insole. These are super, super light. They run true to size, so if you are getting these, I know with most Adidas I go down a half size, except for Yeezys, and these are like, I tried on an 8, they felt a little snug, so I did go with the 8.5. You know, without actually really wearing them too much up until this point, other than trying them on, I do recommend going true to size. I'm not even sure if you're going to be able to get these for retail right now, you know, depending on the time this video goes up. I'll leave links down below if they are still available. I just think Adidas did a really good job. Obviously you've seen the Wave Runner. It does, you know, bear a very, very big resemblance to the Wave Runner, but these are super, super light, and the cushioning on these actually isn't bad either. I know it's not Boost, and And I know a lot of people steer clear of Adidas without boost, but not me. I've done Pro Fear reviews. I'm a huge fan of the Adidas Gazelle. A lot of these Adidas retro models from the 80s and 90s that they're bringing back out, I am definitely on board with. We're going to go do the on foot. I'll be back tomorrow with another video. But until then, I'm Richie Ruckus. Peace!
Play this record as frequently as possible.
Richie Ruckus Beats.
From the early 2000s. Ho! This! Holla.
Richie Ruckus Beats.